Hey developers, want to master the latest in AI and accelerated computing from the company that's building the foundation? NVIDIA has launched a series of incredible free, self-paced courses that are designed to jumpstart your career or take your skills to the next level. We're talking hands-on, expert-led training in key fields like CUDA programming, deep learning, and generative AI, all available directly from the Deep Learning Institute. You can learn fundamentals in just an hour with an even easier introduction to CUDA, or build complete AI applications in detailed workshops like Getting Started with AI on Jetson Nano. There's something for every skill level, and you'll be gaining practical experience with the exact same industry-standard tools and frameworks used by technical experts worldwide. But the real bonus: on completion, many of these free training opportunities include an official NVIDIA certification. This is a huge professional milestone that demonstrates your certified competence to the world. Once you finish your course, adding this prestigious certificate to your LinkedIn profile is simple. Just go to your Licenses and Certifications section, add a new one, and use the unique verification details provided by NVIDIA. It's an instant way to get noticed by recruiters and show you mean business. This opportunity is too good for any serious developer to ignore. Search for NVIDIA Training online and navigate to the Deep Learning Institute's Free Courses tab. Check out the latest full course catalog for inspiration. Enroll in your first course, earn your certification, and let your skills open new doors. Level up your career with NVIDIA Training. If you want to go directly to this course page, just search NVIDIA Self-Paced Training and Courses, and you will reach this page. Thanks for watching. If you want to get more videos like this instantly, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like.